this is what we used to use. Was
I think it's a sexual device.
so. What? So you take it.
I don't know how to use it. I just think it's what it is.
You are
No,
having too much fun.
It's a kid's toy, and those are the arms. It's a stick person.
No, here. I got it.
Hey, Kristen.
It's an S&M torture device.
I think
For when the girl says no, the guy
Mitzi,
goes,
what's in
yes.
that dip you brought?
White and jowl.
Sausage. Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
White and jowl.
You want some like chips or something? You want some lunch?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna grab something in a minute.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get nice, a
Actually,
little bit more nice.
He said no.
Just let me know if you want like Doritos. Or
This
something.
is
Oh, okay.
a bird.
It's for injured birds to teach them how to fly.
Injured, yes. And it
It's a
shows
therapy
that
device.
it's
It's a therapy device for their wings. To get
Yes.
their wings to fly.
we show
You attach their wings to it
exactly.
for
And
therapy.
then if we don't think they're gonna make it,
You cut them.
we don't think they're
I'm
gonna